Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the fastest way to retouch skin in Photoshop, and after that I'm going to give you one of my actions with which you can literally retouch skin in just one click. So it's going to be a very interesting video, and today we're going to retouch this image. If you want to follow along, then download it from the description below. And this is not the raw file, let me show you. This is the raw one, and I have not edited, I have just used forest preset from my preset pack, which is coming real soon. Stay tuned for that. And so let's jump right into Photoshop. Right click here and edit in Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. So let's click on edit, and the file is now opening in Photoshop. Okay, so let's press F for the full screen preview. Yep, now press Ctrl plus 0 for the full preview. Okay, so now press Ctrl plus J for duplicate layer. Now press Ctrl plus I, or if you using Mac, then command will be replaced for the control. Okay, so Ctrl plus I to invert. Now the blend mode for this will be vivid light, and now go to filter, other, high pass, and make the value 24. Okay, press OK. Now let's zoom into it. Okay, so now let's go into filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Now you can zoom it a little bit more, and now take it to the 0.1. now increase it slowly and see where the textures are available like you want. See, if you come here, it's just the raw image you have, and if you decrease it like 0.1, it's not usable. So keep it like something, I think for this image four is absolutely perfect for this image. Yeah, hit OK. So now see, the skin is okay. Like if just let me take another layer. See, the skin portion is absolutely okay, but we don't need it in this edges, these detailed parts, and obviously not in this part. So what I need to do, we need to apply it partially. Now hold Alt and hit the mask, so it will give you an inverted mask. Okay, now press B or choose brush from here, and now see, the layer is black and we need white to show things. Now make it a soft brush, obviously not like 0. Hardness should be like 35 or something. Now just paint over it slowly. So now see, if you have applied this softening in places you don't want, just simply press X to invert the color and then remove it. Okay, see, we don't need it here, so just press X and remove it from the press you don't want. Okay, now press X again to bring the actual color. Now just paint around it like that. Adjust the brush size depending on your work. Okay, and now I will do a bit slower on the places. Now see, for this places you need to apply primers. We are done with our process and the skin is looking a bit over retouched. So what I can do, just select the layer and now decrease the opacity, or you can also decrease it to 0 and then increase it slowly and see where it looks best. Okay, so okay, and we are done, like from here to here, that fast. Okay, so let's save this image. Okay, so come back to Lightroom and see. Okay, it's looking too good. And okay, so now let's talk about the one-click action with which you can retouch skin in just one click. So you need to open up the action tab. If you can't find it here, then go to Windows and select this. Okay, so now just click here and load action. If you have downloaded it right now, so it will be in the download section and the file will look like this. Okay, by the way, the download link will be given in the description below. Download it from there. So now let's back into the tutorial. The file will look like this and it will be a ATN file, which the extension of Photoshop. Just press load and it will create a group skin and you will find the skin soften here. So before applying that, you need to remove the spots on the skin. I have done a rough job here, you can do it in detail, and so I have kind of done this. And now just hit the play button and wait, it's doing its own work. Okay, so after completing its work, it will give you a message like this and you have to press stop and just come here. See, there is a black mask, so as we know that everything in black on this mask will hide and everything in white will show. So we need to take the brush and pick up the white color and now just need to brush on the skin, not in the detail, not in the shadows much. You just need to see, I'm not doing it here, I'm doing it here because it's the skin part, and I'm doing it here, not in the details. Just leave the details. So we are done with the skin softening. So just now, if it looks overdone, So just simply select the layer and decrease the opacity, or you can do also like just take it to the 0, and now slowly increase it and see where it looks better. So for me, I'm kind of satisfied with this look. Okay, so this is all for today's video. Hope you guys like this video, and if you have any question, query, anything, just write it down in the comment section and I would love to see and reply. And don't forget to like, share this video, and if you are new on this channel, please hit the subscribe button for more videos like that. Guys, by the way, this video is recommended for you if you love to learn the advanced process of skin retouching, which most of the pros actually use in their own workflow. Watch this video and retouch skin like a pro. See you in the next videos. Till then, stay tuned.